Losing a loved one is a very tough time in someone's life, usually involving difficult decisions and responsibilities, along with challenging grief. We're here to bring a little ease to the situation by helping you navigate the insurance process during that difficult time. We've all had loved ones pass in our lives, and while we can't help as much as we would like during the grieving process, we can help ease the burden and provide some peace of mind on the insurance side of things. In this video, you will learn how insurance is impacted by a policyholder's death and what steps you'll need to take in a few specific scenarios. When a spouse dies. Many insurance policies are shared by married couples, so things may stay the same for the most part. However, there are a few factors that may need to be adjusted. At a minimum, you should at least notify your insurance agent about your spouse passing so they can review and make any necessary changes to your coverages. While it may make sense for you to have your spouse's name removed from your policy, that may not be the best move, at least not right away. Auto insurance. For auto insurance specifically, you can remove your spouse's name from the policy, which may save you some money. However, you shouldn't remove your spouse's name fully until their name is removed from the registration of the vehicle. If you plan on keeping the vehicle, then you will need to re-register and retitle the vehicle, then remove your spouse's name from the registration. If you plan on selling the vehicle, then you need to be sure it has been sold and registered to the new owner before removing your spouse's name. Homeowners. For homeowners insurance, if you are keeping the house you lived in with your spouse, you will need to make sure to remove their name from the deed of the house before removing them from the homeowner's policy. Once they are removed from the deed, you can take them off the policy and continue making payments as usual. If you plan on selling your home, then you do not need to make any changes. Simply keep the policy and then cancel it after the house has been sold. When you are managing a single-person estate. If you are managing the estate of a single person, like a single parent, family member, or friend, you will need to make changes to both their auto and homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance. If someone dies and you are in charge of their estate, you should let their insurance company know immediately. Whether the home is vacant, rented, or occupied by a child, the policy will need to be rewritten to reflect the changes to the status of the home. Keep in mind, there is a chance the new policy could cost more under your name than it did under the deceased's due to new risks. For example, if the home is vacant, it is a higher risk for vandalism, theft, and damage, leading to a higher premium. If you decide to sell the home, let the insurance company know about your intent to cancel the policy. The notice of cancellation takes 30 days to enact, so if the home sells within the 30 days, you don't need to do anything. However, if the selling process takes longer than 30 days, you will need to rewrite the coverage in your name so it will be covered while it is being sold. Car insurance. If you or any other driver are listed on the deceased's car insurance policy, you will be able to drive their car. You will need to contact their insurance company and inform them of the insured's death to remove them from their policy. However, you will still need to get the vehicle retitled and re-registered before they can be completely removed from the policy. If you are not on the insurance policy, you will need to add yourself as an approved operator to their policy before you can drive it. Normally, simple permission from the policyholder would be enough. However, since deceased people cannot give approval to use their vehicles, you will need to take this extra step in order to operate their vehicle. We recommend simply not operating the vehicle until after you have contacted the insurance company to avoid any risks of not being covered. If you plan on keeping the car, you will need to transfer ownership, registration, and get a new insurance policy on the vehicle. Keep in mind, as the manager of the estate, you will need to provide power of attorney documentation in order to gain authorization to make changes on behalf of the deceased. What about life insurance? Life insurance is, of course, directly affected by the death of the policyholder. Life insurance provides financial security to the family members of the policyholder, which may be used for funeral costs, debt repayment, income replacement, college savings for children, and other expenses. If you're a beneficiary of a life insurance policyholder, you should reach out to the insurance company and inform them of the death. Usually, you will need to provide a death certificate and answer a few questions. In most situations, you can choose if you would rather be paid in a lump sum or in installments. Payout is generally 30 to 60 days after the initial claim. There may be more uncommon insurance steps to take. Every person has their own unique circumstances, so they may have other insurances you may need to look into, such as pet insurance, recreational vehicle insurance, or flood insurance that may need to be adjusted based on your plans with the property. Their or your insurance agent should be able to help you navigate any of these less common scenarios. If you or someone you know is currently navigating the death of a loved one, we're here for you and can help you ease some of the insurance processes. If you're looking for more information on life insurance, click the link in the description to visit our Learning Center, where we have more articles and information. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you in the next one.